We've travelled to Paragon Rapid Technologies in the northeast, and they've just invested in a whole unit dedicated to additive manufacturing. We're going to find out exactly why they're so ahead of their game, how they're making these, and why they chose to purchase a HP Jet Fusion from Matsuura.
Well, we first invested in additive manufacturing technology 3 years through a technology called DLS. And that was really, we were just exploring the technology and just getting into the marketplace. But we saw a lot of the technology being advertised by Hewlett-Packard, and we had an opportunity with a client within the orthotics and prosthetics industry. And this was probably about 2.5 years ago. And we did research in the marketplace, and we had Matsuura and Hewlett-Packard come in and do a presentation. Did a great job, but fundamentally the equipment brilliant on productivity and efficiency.
We'll come on to their service, but really I want to know what it was that made you go for this and what industries this is going to serve. How is it going to transform your business?
Sure, yeah. Well, in terms of our company, it was a natural step. I mentioned earlier about the DLS technology, and that gave us our first footstep. But this particular technology, it takes it up a level in terms of where you can access in terms of manufacturing. It's true AM. Previously, it's just been adoptive technologies, generically like 3D printing, but the powder efficiency and the efficiency and productivity of the machine really takes to a next level, which allows greater volume production.
Exactly, that's exactly where I was trying to head, is the production. What is it that this is capable of achieving for you?
It'll be different with different technologies, different industries. It's more around the profile of the work and the application. One of our focuses is technology, material and application. And this allows us to broaden the applications that AM can access. So it will be particularly the volumes of products, but being able to take advantage of design, flexibility, but it's the efficiency of the machines married up with which will be the HP and the Matsuura technology, but then it's the collaboration with Matsuura on the service side that really finishes that off.
Quickly, industries, what are you aiming for?
Industries, I could say all of them. Predominantly would be medical, but within that orthotics and prosthetics, also industrial products and some of the prestige automotive.
Steve, you're a customer to Paragon.
Yeah.
What is it that you require?
We require a product that's going to go onto people. This goes onto babies, and the parents of these that are putting these onto babies want something that's lightweight, it's breathable, it's easy for the baby to wear, and it's easy for the parents to use. These are worn all the time, so it has to be something that's robust, but it's comfortable for the baby. These are worn by people that walk and stand on them, so you've got very, very different forces on these, and we need a product that's got strength in all three directions, so in the X, Y and the Z plane. We need something that's going to be flexible where we want it to be flexible, and something that's going to be supportive where we want it to be. So the products that Paragon are making for us using the HP machine are consistent, they're reliable, we know exactly the properties that we're going to get out of them, and we're confident that these are going to go onto our customers, and we know that they're going to work for them.
Okay, what is it that Matsuura have done for you in terms of the purchasing? Because it's not just the HP Jet Fusion, it's also the DyeMansion and how it all comes together, almost like a cell.
Sure, yeah, very much so. But it is linking all the chains. They understand the offering, they understand manufacturing from their other parts of the business. But really with Matsuura, you just got that level of engagement, that warmth, it was collaboration. It wasn't just supplier, customer. It was very much working together to look at the solution, but they get the end picture, they get the value of the combination of technologies. But also I feel they've got the infrastructure to service that and support you in application developments, not just in the equipment.
Goals. What are your predictions in 1 year's time, in 2 years' time? What do you want to achieve to get the best out of this purchase?
Well, we've got a strategic business plan, and the additive manufacturing cell and business unit is one part of 3 business units. But really in terms of true AM, growth-wise, we've got a 5-year plan to take that business unit to £5 million turnover. This would probably be just the start of it in terms of the actual selling the capital equipment, but we're looking for support from Matsuura and DyeMansion and HP to really add further machines, get scalability, but really get involved in collaboration with the customers and just look at developing the applications to grow where AM fits.
We've seen the process now, but really I want to find out about the relationship that you mentioned
Sure.
earlier with Matsuura. You've gone for this because you felt like that you got a warmth from them,
Yeah.
but it's more than that, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it was, well, the first point of contact was level of engagement. They understood where everything fit, but you also got the warm feeling, and it's not just the warm feeling, it's the technical support, it's the service. We met at senior management level as well as technical engineers and business development, but it was that collective, almost holistic approach to where, and understanding where the technology fits, but also know they're going to be holding your hand when if there's an issue or there's an application they're developing. Inevitably it is cutting edge technology, so there will be some debugging, but they understand it and have the customers and the case studies that prove out what they support.